Yongki ha ke yang dorbar parlimen. Ka second YAI North East Regatta 2024 kelakut no ha umyam league mentah kesni balapan long dak umyam sailing club ha ke jing penrekam bat ka Yachting Association of India hadu ka arterik nadu ka arterik hadu ka handutrik ubna April. Kani kereta bahan rius ngi keradon kum basis pa angut kino yashim bantah na ki khat nyu teliki club na keleng ki jela jong keri India ha ki kerdan ba per UDIG LR Bisnoy ulalong ukong san haba ajing keren hakni program ula IMNC mi kinong nya link ki badang kidang san da ka baban jur lor ka kwat ka khya ka jing tre bat kurukom perkhat ka babet lasam ki kusnam da ka pisa she kinong job kumba khat san ngut AA ki breu na ka ni ka thang le shim bantah ha ni program ajing kai banyak link jong ka umyam sailing club.
Safe. And I'm very, very happy that all of you did follow all the instructions regarding the safety. So we have finished all the races with safety. We have concluded the regatta with safety. Hence it is successful.
Mentapat ini pet yang jenglong